Hey everybody, Rick Needham handicapping greyhound racing from the Palm Beach Kennel Club in Palm Beach, Florida. It's Monday afternoon, September the 27th, and this is my DayAtTheTrack.com race of the day. Focus on the race one opener this afternoon, folks, 1 p.m. Eastern Post Time. Today we have maidens racing 545 yards. I use a software product called QuickDog that helps me handicap greyhound racing quickly, and the software products help me isolate a power pup to put on top of my multiple entry contenders list. And on this entry, number 6, LW's Ted, I'm going to make a win, place, and show wager on this afternoon. We also like to play the boxed exotics here at Palm Beach. So along with number 6 today, I'll be boxing number 3, Kiowa WW Ralph, number 1, Where's Get Elisa, and number 8, TK Hezita. That's 6318 in the first today from Palm Beach. QuickDog software has also helped me isolate a pair of very playable Power Pup long shots. I'm going to make win, place, and show wagers on both of these entries. The first comes in race 2, win, place, and show in a 4-to-1 shot, number 5, PWS Wild Strike, and in race 8, win, place, and show in a 6-to-1 shot, number 3, Super Action. So handicapping from Palm Beach on a Monday afternoon, Rick Needham for DayAtTheTrack.com, reminding you as always to please bet with your head, not over it.